From the beginning, the attachment between Thai people and rivers. Rivers are like main blood vessels, nourishing lives, fertility indicator of this region. The heart of commuting in the past, with the rivers as an important part, commutation, business making. It's the beginning of laying a foundation in the development of a water transportation system until Sahathai Terminal was founded. We set our work system to meet with the highest standard in every step. From state-of-the-art terminal management system, controlled by industry experts 24/7. Our services include port services for containerized cargo, general cargo, bulk and project cargo, coastal transportation, warehousing, and value-added services. With a full-scale customs office, with more than 10 customs officers, customs clearance has never been easier. Sahathai Terminal is proud to offer every customer a truly one-stop service solution. Our strong commitment to good corporate governance has gained trust continuously from regional and world-leading companies. The Industrial Ring Road, connecting to the Outer Ring Road, makes Sahathai Terminal a transportation center linking between Bangkok and other provincial cities. Linking to Lam Shabang Port, known as the main gateway for Thailand's international trade, and to all major important ports around the world. We are experts in port services and container transportation. Because our mission is building additional value for customers with smart solutions and the best services. We are determined to continue raising standards of service in order to step forward to be the leader of the region. We are proud to be part of the economic movement of the country. We are determined for tomorrow and always will be this way forever. Like the river as the main blood vessel nourishing Thai nationals and never runs dry.